So you got the new HiSense Fire TV, and now you want to set up your favorite PS5 with it for a lag-free gaming. So for that, first, you already know that you need to connect it with the HDMI cable. The built-in cable that came with the PS5 is recommended, otherwise you'll need a high-speed HDMI cable. Just connect one end to your PS5 console like this, and you can plug in the other end to any of the available HDMI ports on the back of your TV. And next, we're going to just plug the power cable into your PS5 and then just connect it to a working power source. And after that, just go ahead and place the PS5 console to its place. And then just go ahead, turn on the console. Wait for a couple of seconds, as your TV should detect the PlayStation automatically. Now, next, what you're going to do is just go to the input section on your Fire TV and select the exact HDMI port where your PlayStation is connected. The PS5 logo will appear, and in a moment, it'll prompt you to press the PS button on your controller to connect the controller with it. Just press on the PS button, and once the controller is connected, you'll be taken to the login screen. Just go ahead and log into your PlayStation account. Now, after logging in, your work is not done yet. So just go ahead and let's tweak a few settings. Now, since we're already in the PlayStation, let's go ahead and go with the PlayStation settings first. Navigate yourself to the PlayStation settings and then scroll to the system section. Now here, make sure enable HDMI device link is turned on, along with enable one touch play and enable power off link. Both should be enabled. Now this will allow PS5 and TV to work together through HDMI CEC. Now, there are just two more settings that I need to check before you go. For that, let's get out of the PS5, and now we're gonna just go to the settings on our TV. From there, redirect yourself to the display and sound section, scroll down to HDMI CEC device control, and here just make sure the available options including one touch play, ARC eARC, power control, other CEC options, everything is either enabled or allowed. But before you start gaming, there is one last setting we need to check. Go back to your PlayStation interface, otherwise this won't work. And then just press on the menu button on your TV remote. So from the side menu, scroll down to picture settings, and then go to the first option, picture mode. The standard is selected by default. Just scroll down and select game mode. That's it. This is designed to reduce input lag so your controls feel more responsive while playing. You're all set. Go ahead and start gaming on your PS5 in the HiSense Fire TV. Happy gaming. See you at the next one.